yesterday, as part of United Way's Day of Action, our student services team and our parent involvement team went and packed 40,000 backpacks on behalf of students across the Twin Cities Metro to make sure that they're ready for the first day of school. So today we've partnered with Kotke's bus service and we are driving throughout the district to make sure all of our elementary students are set for success on the very first day of school. We're delivering elementary backpacks that are packed full of school supplies so that way students have what they need for the first day.